Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to dive into a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately, the debate between Spocket and AliExpress. These two platforms have become popular choices for dropshippers, but which one is better? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and understand what each platform offers. Spocket is a relatively newer player on the scene, but it's quickly gaining traction. It focuses on providing high-quality products from US and EU suppliers. This means faster shipping times and potentially better customer satisfaction. AliExpress is a giant in the e-commerce world. It's known for its vast selection of products, often at lower prices compared to other platforms. However, this comes with some drawbacks like longer shipping times and potential quality control issues. So, which one is the better choice? Well, the answer isn't as simple as picking one over the other. It really depends on your individual needs and goals. Here's a breakdown of some key factors to consider. 1. Product quality. Spocket prides itself on its high-quality products. They have a vetting process for suppliers, ensuring that you get reliable and well-made items. AliExpress, on the other hand, has a more mixed reputation when it comes to quality. While you can find some great products, there's also the risk of receiving low-quality items. 2. Shipping times. If you're looking for fast shipping times, Spocket is the clear winner. They work with suppliers in the US and EU, which means shorter shipping distances and faster delivery to your customers. AliExpress, on the other hand, often has longer shipping times, especially if products are coming from China. 3. Pricing. AliExpress generally offers lower prices than Spocket. This can be a major advantage if you're looking to offer competitive prices to your customers. However, keep in mind that lower prices often come with lower quality and longer shipping times. 4. Selection. AliExpress has a massive selection of products, covering almost every niche imaginable. This is great if you're looking for a wide variety of items to offer. Spocket, while not as extensive, focuses on higher quality products, which may be more appealing to certain customers. 5. Fees. Both Spocket and AliExpress have fees associated with using their platforms. Spocket offers different pricing plans based on your subscription level. AliExpress has a variety of fees, including transaction fees and shipping fees. 6. Customer support. Good customer support is essential, especially when dealing with potential issues or questions. Both Spocket and AliExpress offer customer support, but their responsiveness and effectiveness may vary. So, which one should you choose? Ultimately, the decision of whether to use Spocket or AliExpress depends on your individual circumstances. Here are some general guidelines. If you're looking for high-quality products with fast shipping times, Spocket is a good option. If you're on a tight budget and need a wide selection of products, AliExpress might be a better choice. If you're just starting out and want to test the waters, AliExpress's lower entry cost can be appealing. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Take the time to weigh the pros and cons of each platform and choose the one that best aligns with your business goals. Both Spocket and AliExpress have their strengths and weaknesses. It's important to do your research and understand the differences between the two platforms before making a decision. By considering factors like product quality, shipping times, pricing, selection, fees, and customer support, you can find the platform that's right for you. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And be sure to check out my other videos for more tips and insights on dropshipping. Until next time, happy selling.